Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure caching with WP Rocket for technical SEO boosts step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Locate the WP Rocket plugin from the dashboard menu. Click on the WP Rocket menu to access its settings. Start with the Cache tab in the WP Rocket settings. Enable caching for mobile devices by toggling the appropriate option. Check the option for user cache if your site has logged in users. Next, navigate to the File Optimization tab. Minify HTML by checking the box labeled Minify HTML. This reduces the size of your HTML files, improving load times. Enable minification for CSS files as well. Be sure to also enable minification for JavaScript files. Proceed to the Media tab in the WP Rocket settings. Enable lazy loading for images to enhance performance further. This loads images only when they enter the viewport, speeding up initial loads. Also consider enabling lazy loading for iframes in videos. Next, navigate to the Preload tab. Activate preloading of the cache by clicking the checkbox. Set the preloading method to preload cache. This ensures your content is ready to serve as soon as users arrive. In the Advanced Rules section of the settings, customize exclusions if needed. This could be important for specific pages that should not be cached. Now, move to the Database tab. Optimize your database by cleaning up unnecessary data. You can schedule automatic cleanups for ongoing maintenance. Select the options that align with your site's needs. Finally, test your site using a speed testing tool. Check for improvements in loading times and performance scores. Adjust settings in WP Rocket as necessary based on the test results. This ensures that all visitors receive the most optimized version of your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.